Imagine you're on a cross-country road trip. You're cruising through Oklahoma and suddenly, boom, your car gets rear-ended, the gas tank explodes and everything goes up in flames. You sue everyone involved, including the New York dealer who sold you the car. But here's the twist. Can Oklahoma drag New York businesses into court just because you happen to drive there? That was the big question for the Supreme Court in 1980. This is 99 Rights Online, and welcome to World Wide Volkswagen versus Woodson, the case that introduced minimum contacts. In 1976, the Robinson family was driving from New York to Arizona when their Audi was rear-ended in Oklahoma. The gas tank exploded, causing severe injuries, and they sued everyone in sight, including the New York car dealer and regional distributor who sold them the car. They did this in the Oklahoma State Court. But there was an issue. The Robinson family bought their Audi in New York. The dealer and regional distributor operated only in New York, New Jersey and Connecticut. The dealer didn't advertise in Oklahoma. They didn't ship cars to Oklahoma. They didn't have employees, offices or sales in Oklahoma. Their only connection to Oklahoma was that the Robinsons decided to drive through it. The question became, is it fair or constitutional for Oklahoma to assert personal jurisdiction over businesses with zero ties to the state? The Supreme Court said no. The court held that a defendant must purposefully avail itself of the forum state, meaning it must reach out, do business, or create contacts are key. It's not enough that a product might end up somewhere. If foreseeability alone were enough, every seller could be sued anywhere a customer takes their product. A result, the court said, it violates fair play and substantial justice. This ruling became a cornerstone of modern personal jurisdiction doctrine, alongside cases like International Shoe, Burger King and Asahi. So why does this matter today? Because World Wide Volkswagen protects people and businesses from being sued in random states they've never set foot in. It draws a bright line between foreseeability and minimum contacts, and it keeps states from overreaching across borders. In short, it's the case that makes sure you can't be hauled into court just because someone else took your product on a road trip. Thanks for watching 99 Rights Online, where legal clarity goes viral. Hit subscribe for fast, viral explanations that you can understand and could actually help. If this breakdown made the law feel a little less intimidating and a lot more powerful, don't scroll away just yet. Like, subscribe and share to keep your rights sharp and your feed spicy. Because justice isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone.